Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Dina here. So as you can see, my hair is out. So I did a chunky twist a couple weeks ago, and as you can see, they're looking a little rough now. So I'm about to take them down, and I want to show you how I do that. Okay, so for the past couple of weeks, I've been using my cloves water with aloe vera and my cloves oil. So I wanted to just do a trial to see how my hair was going to behave. I wanted to see how it was going to make my hair feel and see if I could get some growth and just give it a good try, a good 2 weeks try. I thought it was going to be enough time for me to see some reaction or some result. So now it's time to take them down. Just the way I show you how I did them, I wanted to show you as well what my process is to remove the twist or to take them down. Okay, so for that, of course, I'm gonna be using my water bottle, and I'm gonna be using some coconut oil. This is an organic coconut oil. Okay, so as always, I just moisturize my hair before I do anything. Doesn't have to be a lot of water, just a little bit. I'm not gonna really put anything in my scalp because I'm going to wash my hair after this. Just like I washed my hair last week, and I'm going to wash them this week because like I said in my last video, I do put some water on my hair every week. So after I do this, I'm going to wash my hair with shampoo and just, to clean my hair before I do anything else with it, and to because it's been sitting in this twist for the last 2 weeks, so it's probably there's probably some buildups in it. I've been putting products in it, so I just want to give it a good clean after this. So right now I'm not putting anything in my scalp. I'm just going to moisturize my hair so I can untwist it. All right, so I already used the water. What I do next is I just use my coconut oil. I also use coconut oil for my pre-poo sometimes. So this is a good way to pre-poo my hair before I wash it as well. And that's the oil and the water is of course going to make my hair easier to detangle or to untwist it. So this is what I do. This part is not really twisted, but remember when I was doing it, I said in order to get easy untwist, you do have to not mix them up. So right now I'm just going to show you how I do that. Now because I washed my hair, I put so much water in my hair, it's still a little tangled, so it's kind of hard to remove them. But this is really it's just 2 strands, so it's not that hard to remove, as you can see. So now that I have my 2 strands, I'm just going to just open them up just like this. Now it might be smarter to start from the bottom. It's probably smarter to start from the bottom. Like when you untwist your hair, you just want to make sure that you're being, you have some time so that you can be patient with your hair, because It's been sitting for weeks, so it can be a little tangled. Now, as you can see, even though my hair is really, it's kind of tangled because of the use of liquid on my hair. You can see that it's not really fresh. So it should have taken me a longer time to untwist it, but because I only have the 2 strands, and I also use the coconut oil and some liquid to moisturize my hair, it's really easy to take down. All I gotta do is just undo the 2 strands and just open them up, just like this. Like I said, if it's easier for you, you can also start from the bottom and go up. But my hair is very moisturized, so I don't need to be very fussy about it. I can just start from the top, and it's easy to go down. But if you feel like your hair is really tangled and you gotta be more careful, then you want to start from the very bottom and work your way up. Just like this. Because that will allow you to that'll allow you to find any tangles. All right. So my hair is not really dirty because I did wash it. I co-washed last week, so it's not really dirty. But today I gotta wash it, just to make sure that I get my scalp really well. And also, if you feel like you need to moisturize the strands, feel free to do that. If you feel like it's not easy to detangle, you can also take a little bit of coconut oil in your finger like this, and just you can rub it against your fingers and just use that on your hair. Alright, so this is really it for this video, guys. I just wanted to come and show you how I do this. And next week I will come and show you what my hair looks like washed and what the length is. So that's gonna be the next week. I'm gonna be showing you the result of that 2 weeks the 2 weeks trial that I did with the cloves water. So yeah, so this is how my hair looks like after I take them down. And you see you see the process from when I did my water, from when I did the oil, from when I put my hair up, and I show you how I remove the twist. So next week I'm just gonna show you what my hair looks like after it is washed, detangled, and dry. I will just measure it again to show you what my hair looks like after the 2 weeks trial. All right, so I'm going to finish off camera. Sorry I look like a mess today, but today is a hair day, and you know, it happens. So I'll see you next week. Thank you again for watching. Bye.